Works. We are an electric mobility company based out of Hyderabad. So that's our product. Our customers mostly include people like Amazon, BigBasket, Flipkart, Delivery, all the last mile delivery service companies which are looking to go green as well as save some money during doing their operations. Okay, so this is what we do. We produce affordable electric vehicles. The main issue with electric vehicles is most of them are extremely expensive. If you want to buy an electric vehicle that is similar in performance to a petrol or diesel powered vehicle, you would probably end up spending twice as much. So for the bottom of the pyramid population, it's very difficult. About 45 million trips in India happen on a three-wheeler, and electrifying a three-wheeler saves a lot of pollution entering the atmosphere. So in addition to vehicles, because there are no financing mechanisms or for the drivers, we also provide the vehicles on a rental basis where the drivers can hire these vehicles on a monthly basis and can carry out various operations for their partners. In addition to that, one of the important points which is required to be addressed for mass adoption of electric vehicles is how do you make it extremely easy for the consumers to charge their vehicles. So we were the first ones in the country to have a swappable battery for electric three-wheelers, and we set up swapping stations at various locations. So currently they are mostly at our customer hub locations, but in future they'll be mostly for public charging or public swapping stations. So it takes less than a minute to swap out a battery, so you don't have to wait 3-4 hours to get your vehicle refueled. It takes less than a minute, and for drivers, three-wheeler drivers who usually operate between 50 to 250 kilometers on a daily basis, this is extremely helpful for them for their operations. So these are some of our clients. So all the last mile delivery companies in India, like Amazon, BigBasket. With Amazon, we work in India as well as in Japan. And there is a company called Soko Watch. So with Soko Watch, it's based out of Uganda. So they do last mile deliveries for their clients as well. So we also export these vehicles not just in India but various countries across the globe. So we have exported our vehicles to Germany, to Nepal, France, Portugal. So they use it mostly for mobile shops or for carrying out last mile delivery services, and we also export these to Uganda. So we'll be starting Kenya soon. So this is our global presence at this point of time. So we not just when we produce electric vehicles, electric three-wheelers specifically. So the main markets that were in our mind was India and various developing countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Uganda or Kenya. But to our surprise, we have seen a lot of inquiries coming in from developed countries like Japan, UK, France, Portugal, and even United States. So the main reason for that is there is a trend that is happening. People are shifting to e-commerce and they want daily deliveries. So when that happens, the delivery hubs have to be very close to their customer locations. And for that reason, when that happens, instead of having 1 or 2 hubs in a single city, they are now shifting to 15 to 20 smaller hubs which are spread throughout the city. And when that happens, our three-wheeler becomes the perfect form factor given the payload and volume that it can carry. So these are some of the reasons that, for which we have a lot of inquiries from not just developing countries but also developed countries. So in developed countries, we usually compete with vehicles like Nissan ENV200 or similar vehicles, which are priced at around 25,000 or 30,000 euros, while our distributors sell our vehicle for around 8 to 9,000 euros. So instead of having one of their vehicles, you can actually have 3 of our vehicles. It's actually faster to deliver using these vehicles, faster to find a parking spot using these vehicles. These are extremely easy to maneuver. The turning radius is 3 meters compared to 10 meters for Nissan ENV200. So these are some of the advantages that Indian electric three-wheelers have compared to the four-wheelers which are traditionally used for delivery. Yeah, so these are some of the highlights. So last year we were actually the largest exporter of electric vehicles from India, not just electric three-wheelers but electric vehicles from India. So in terms of technology, we are currently collaborating with one of the largest auto OEMs in the world. We'll be announcing a joint venture with them in the next couple of weeks. In terms of the impact that our vehicles have, you can see the picture on the left. That you would have seen a lot of delivery boys using those vehicles. So those are extremely dangerous to travel. There are number of accidents that occur when people try to do that. The main issue is there is only a certain amount of volume that you can carry on the bike, and the driver has to do multiple trips to and from the hub. That wastes a lot of time. Using our three-wheelers, they are extremely safe. You are not exposed to any weather events like rain or cold climate or during summers, and it also improves a lot of health. And the delivery boy is also able to increase his income by using our vehicle, because he is able to do more deliveries because he can carry more stuff in the vehicle. So this is a comparative analysis. So for e-commerce delivery applications, our vehicles are mostly popular in the e-commerce delivery space. That's because it's easy to set up charging or swapping stations at the customer hub locations. So they provide charging facilities, and they travel about 60 to 70 kilometers on a daily basis. So you can see that the cost per delivery is extremely low compared to a Tata Ace or a bike. So that's one of the reason why e-commerce companies like Amazon or BigBasket or Flipkart, these guys are queuing up for electric vehicles. So it's a new market that we are creating. If you had asked me about 3 years ago, would there be a market for electric auto rickshaws in countries like UK or France or Portugal, I would have said no. But during our interaction with those customers, what we have realized is there is a huge potential for electric three-wheelers, especially because there is a growing trend whereby bikes and cargo vans are being replaced by electric three-wheelers. So electric three-wheeler is a perfect last mile delivery platform for micro hubs. So these are some of the key features that we offer that helps our customers adapt our vehicles. So all our vehicles are connected to the cloud. You can see where the vehicle is, how much charge is left in each vehicle. Based on that interface is given to our customers. So it helps them in taking various business decisions on the fly. Yeah, so this is some of the comparisons that we have with some of the popular vehicles that have been recently released. So this comparison is mostly for the European as well as the US market. So a three-wheeler actually can carry more load than most of the four-wheelers that are there, and the turning radius is extremely small, which means it can easily maneuver various roads and also find parking spots. So these are some of the key technologies, and we have been featured in quite a lot of channels and media across the globe. Thank you.